see, but we got 4 in the cut, bro. You got 2 dollars in the cut, bro. Oh shit, he getting wasted on the game.
This is bad timing.
Yeah, man. What's good, gang? Man, so boy, the street runner. C4 in the motherfucking building, man. Listen, y'all boys already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, bro. Y'all boys, you already know we with the gang of them boys all day, them brothers. But hey, though, bro, with no further ado, man, you already know I got my motherfucking best friend with me. We got the blunt and rotation. If you don't watch my channel, ain't got no blunt and rotation, nigga. The fuck off my page. Put this on. Oh, there you go, my boy. Grab the blunt. Yeah, little bro. Go ahead and do that. Tap in, man. Yes, sir. That's why I love Xbox and shit. Like, boy, I saw them niggas texting and shit. But listen, that's why I love Xbox, bro. Because Xbox game shit be like, wow, bro. Like, you probably joined the motherfucker that spawned that motherfucker already on some shit. Like,
they spawned me in the middle of the field. Like,
they never did that to my ass. I don't own copyright to the music, bro. Damn, I gotta edit video cause I damn. We on the out with that motherfucker, look.
We on the monkey eye, we on the GT with it. This nigga trying to
we on the GTA with that shit.
Hey, please don't be down to my shit though.
Nah, I ain't down.
You got me looking bad. I ain't gonna lie.
You can't blow you up.
Dirty ass dreads, nigga.
I'm about to say, bro, we trying to flame motherfuckers on the monkey up, bro.
Oh, hey yo. How y'all doing? Hey yo.
Hell no, what you laughing at?
Hey, Shawty,
Yo, what you laughing at?
Hey, Shawty.
Hey, say what up to the vlog, Shawty.
Good.
Hell no. Gay, bro.
How you doing, Lexi? What's going on? What's going on? I'm doing good. Hey, on the scale of 1 to 10, you. Hey, on the scale on the 1 to 10, you can rate me real quick though, like for the vlog.
No, bros. Make your toe ass off for it. But the famous ass.
18, fair. Hell no.
I ain't a pass.
That's a nigga.
They gonna ask me to do the fake
Get your bitch ass on, child. Why you ain't sleep? She 23. Yo, oh yeah, she on the night gas.
Damn, why she did that on you, dude? Damn.
Get that shit hella quick. Yo.
This nigga, hell no. Look like my cousin. Oh, so that nigga still dying on GTA, bro.
How y'all young lady doing tonight? Have been.
Like my lashes, like what? What's wrong with my lashes? They're very much nice. So
Oh no,
yeah, you is fine.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie.
Stop playing,
Nah,
bro.
I ain't gonna lie though. Y'all pressure though.
Hey, say what up to the vlog, shawty.
Say what's up to the blog.
Ain't it? We vlogging
Say
this
what up to
shit.
the vlog, shawty.
Y'all boys tap in.
Tap in.
Hey, but where y'all from though? New Hampshire. Okay. Type shit. I fuck with it.
Shit.
blonde? Who's blonde?
Huh?
Blog. You
No,
Oh, it's my vlog.
No, I
Stream
said
on the C4,
vlog.
shawty.
Yeah.
Go check me out on the
Keep
tube.
vlogging on YouTube.
Go check me out on the tube. Stream on the C4.
Thanks. But hey though, on a scale of 1 to 10, you can rate my guys real quick. I'm thanks.
Hey, she about to rate us, bro. Hey, listen.
Alright, I'm gonna tap in. Hey.
Let me see though. 6. Cool. She give me a solid 6.
Yeah.
Cool though.
Caleb, rate that, because I already rated the first one.
Killing light. Huh?
Rate him.
No. Yo, that's a dude on the side.
You look like a dude on the side.
That's the girl.
Okay. My bad.
Alright, cool. Alright, nah, I'm saying the best for last though.
This nigga hell. Oh, don't let me fall in the
The
fall.
first one's better looking, but you a 5.
I'm a 5. Okay.
Oh, come here. What's your number is?
That's cool though.
Funny as hell. I'm playing though, sorry. I'm just fucking with you. Funny as hell. Hey, y'all seen how that went, bro. She talking hell, now you talking about say the best for last, but you hell. That nigga is hell. You about to slap with the mask. Take the mask off, nigga. Take the mask off and brush out your hair, nigga. You feel me? I'm trying to put this back. Oh, bro, y'all listen. Don't be trying to slide all the females on no fucking mask on, man. Take the mask off. Or put a hat on like bros did.
I'm always rock a hat.
Damn, nigga, you got that shit in the camera.
Damn, let me turn the. Bro, listen, bro. After I bust my ass, I thought the fucking bike was gonna crazy. Oh God. The motherfucking back up and running, nigga.
Yo, it was good.
Yeah, Shawty, you got a big ass forehead though. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Man, we still on the monkey out, man.
Nah, ain't no.
No.
Hey, y'all
Hit
boys
the
tap
gas.
into the vlog though. Y'all tap into the vlog.
Yeah, we got the blog going on. Tap into the blog.
Y'all boys show that y'all business or whatever.
Nah, we can't do no shout outs right now. Fuck that. No. Yeah, get off of me.
Alright. Oh yeah. No. Fact.
Cause I ain't got enough fan
right.
base for that, bro.
No,
Hey, that's respectfully now. That's
sometimes you gotta say
respectfully.
that so they can follow, so they can go on your shit and follow you, so they can look at this shit.
That's facts. That's facts. And then be coming with some facts now.
Damn, you should have been down there to block that shit.
Nigga, I'm not no damn. Nigga, I'm playing my position. I'm locked.
Yeah, you're funny guy.
I ain't no point guard. I'm a lock. I play
These
defense.
niggas on the monkey up in school singing ABCs and shit.
Ugly ass
God,
nigga.
ABC head ass.
I got the light on because, hey, bro.
I'm black as shit. Like, you got that bitch in my face.
They got the best friend in the cut, man. Y'all already know what it is. But best friend in the cut. Best friend in
Here
the
you
cut.
go. Get bored again. Here you go.
Shawty. Hello?
We recording in 4K 60, bitch.
You were finna go into the matchup with that shit. Selling.
Eagle Devil.
I'm talking about
That's right there.
I know exactly what this is.
Oh, girl, you look chubby. You look pretty as fuck. No, I'm telling you.
And so,
Come here. Let me see you. Oh, yo, you bit pressure, shawty. On my mama.
good queen.
Hey, say what up to the vlog, bro.
Nah, hey,
Say what up to the blog.
Hey, Shawty, ask him one time real quick.
Oh, I thought you was cutting, nigga.
Bro, hey, you ain't gotta do all that.
Let me slow, bro.
You got the blog going on.
Hey, tell him, hey.
Hey, Shawty. Why not?
Oh, say that again. You sound.
It's cool though now.
You sound like
Nah,
you got an
it's cool.
accent.
It's cool. Nah.
She ain't Philadelphia.
She from the Philly, my
That's
brother.
what I'm
Philly.
looking for,
Hey,
right?
Shawty. Hey, I'll be back real quick. I got you back. I'm
She talking about,
calling
alright, bro.
you.
Man,
Call
let
you,
me get the
Shawty.
sticks slow, bro.
Someone don't put me in the camera, girl. You all in the.
Go.
Happy New Year, bro. For real.
Happy New Year, fo.
Bro, shout out on the monkey out. Just took the shot for us. On God, bro. Shout out to her, bro. On soul.
Yeah, she turning up for the blog.
Turn up for the vlog, man.
Turn up for
Street
the
runner.
blog.
Yeah, she took.
Yeah, you can take it on that. Oh shit! And I went into it.
Come on, man. We in the building, man.
No,
I
you
don't know
can't
if everybody want to be in the
building.
in the video, but listen,
I just think that's
just having a good time.
Babe, which one you had throw out?
You read them all. Read them all.
Okay, they only gave person in 100 miles.
No, they
Okay,
ain't no.
Ain't no way, y'all. I just threw that
Top
stuff.
it. Yes, sir. Thank you, bro. Short vlog, bro. If y'all made it this far, like, comment, subscribe. You see the boy clean with the motherfuckers on now. So, potato, tap in. Y'all already know the move is on Gang Street. Run 'em.